everybody, today I'm going to be doing a comparison on the Hoover Windtunnel Max and the Oreck Founder Series. The only place you'll probably be able to find this is eBay, because this is discontinued by Oreck. So I have a bit of a mess here, so I'm going to so now I'm going to start with the Hoover and pick a pass up. Well, this is where it doesn't pick up because that's where the belt is, so it's okay if you don't see much here. This is okay. But look, this has been pushed by this. So that thing may do better. So this was supposed to be picked up by that. So now that we've done that, let's see how the Oreck can pick it up. Well, I knew this would happen, so they both didn't do very well because this thing pushed and this thing left a bunch of stuff, so I'm not sure which one won. We'll just say it's a tie. How about that? A tie. So now I'm going to make a prize for both of these because it's a tie. So I'm going to pause the video and make the little prize. So I put down the brands of the vacuum. So this is made by Hoover, that is made by Oreck. I'll start with the Oreck because the Hoover got to go first last time. So, clean it all up. So that's pretty much the end of the video. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, and don't forget to subscribe.